back to my channel. Today I will be talking about how to make money online. This is my way 8, my suggestion. This is my 8th suggestion. So today, my way 8 is to sell a video course on Udemy. Now, this is Udemy. Udemy is for businesses, but however, you can become an instructor. You'll log in. Not sure of what they ask for because I haven't signed up, but you can log in. You want to click become an instructor, and basically you'll teach the world online. Share your knowledge and reach millions of students across the globe. Discover your potential. You can earn extra cash online. Once your course is live in the marketplace, students will be able to discover and purchase it. You'll earn money every time a student purchases your course. You can inspire students, help students advance their careers, learn new skills, and explore different hobbies by teaching what you're passionate about. And you can get support. Take advantage of our teaching resources, our support team, or join our active community of instructors to help you through your course creation process. And when I say our, I'm speaking of Udemy. Now, there are exceptional opportunities. They have 12 million students nationwide, worldwide, 50 different languages, and 30K supportive instructors. Now, how it works is you'll choose a topic. Choose a topic, share your knowledge. Teach what you know or teach what you love. You can create a course on almost anything. Millions of students are waiting, eager to learn, and we're here to help you make it happen. Teach how you desire. They have multiple formats you can use to create your course. Teach in the style that makes sense for your topic and personality. Then, after you choose your topic, you'll create the course. Now, in creating the course to get started, their courses are packed with insights, examples, and opportunities for students to learn by doing and achieve their goals. Get support along the way. Use their resources to create engaging courses using their Teach Hub, a resource center for instructors. Join Studio U, a peer-to-peer community of instructors who are also creating their own courses. You'll see their own team members answering questions and providing insight. Then you will connect with students. Start sharing your course. Once your course is live on the marketplace, start sharing it with friends, families, and other followers. Use the marketplace guides to help make your course a success. They know you want to share your course with the world. Let's make sure students can find it. Promote to the world. Students can also find your course through organic search and their marketplace efforts. You can expand your reach. Wait a minute, there was an arrow here. Let's see if we're missing something. Oh, this goes back to choose topic. Okay, expand your reach. They've changed lives by connecting instructors with students around the world. And these are some testimonies. They're here to help. So it looks like the instructors can communicate with each other. It actually says 24/7. Our instructor support team is here for you 24/7 to help you through your course creation needs. Use their Teach Hub. I've already read that. Become an instructor today, and you just basically want to click on becoming an instructor. I had clicked on course creation management. This is their front page. I thought I saw where they had like some prices. But however, that's my way 8. I suggest make some videos and teach some courses. Teach what you know, what you love. It shouldn't be hard. Okay, here it is. Their top courses in development. The prices aren't too steep either. You see these prices? They're on sale for $11.99. They have regular prices, which are not even steep, $199, but it's on sale for $11.99. But they say these are their top courses for development, top courses for business. So you can basically choose anything you would like. You see people taking pictures, doing graphs, selling fruit. However, whatever you have a passion with, teach it online and you can get paid. So that is my way 8 for today. Thank you for listening, and I shall see you shortly.